Hi guys, I'm Miguel Barclay and welcome to the £1 Meals YouTube channel. Today we're going to be cooking my £1 sloppy Giuseppe from my new book, Super Easy £1 Meals. Right, first thing we need to do is get a pan on the heat. And then we're going to go in with some minced beef. First of all, we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of cracked black pepper. Going to go in with a little bit of olive oil into the pan. And then we're going to break off tiny little irregular balls of minced beef and just throw these in and brown the meat off. Right, while that's cooking, we're going to chop up an onion. So for this dish, we need 1/4 of a red onion. It doesn't matter how you chop it, just any way. I don't know, let's go diced. Really rough dice. Then we're going to throw that in too. Next we're going to go in with 1/4 of a green pepper. Again, really roughly diced. And then throw that in with the meat and the peppers. Now, one of the core principles of £1 meals is just to make life easier. So what we've done here is essentially made a sloppy Giuseppe pizza, but without the pizza crust. So that's going to make it a lot quicker and a lot simpler. Right, now we're starting to get a nice bit of colour on the meat. We're going to go in with a little bit of tomato passata. And then we're going to season that with a little bit of oregano, a little bit of pepper, and a nice big pinch of salt. Next, we're going to grab a little bit of mozzarella and we're just going to tear it into little chunks and dot it around the dish. A tiny little drizzle of olive oil, and then that's going to go into the oven for about 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is nicely melted. Okay, so that's had about 15-20 minutes in the oven. The cheese is nicely melted. Watch out because the handle's going to be scorching hot. And here it is, my £1 sloppy Giuseppe from my brand new book, Super Easy £1 Meals.